sorry. Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pero since it was mentioned ito talaga sa most content Lord
So, what was it like? No spoilers, pero like parang, would you say na baka nga ito yung pinaka-content na part? Or like, meron ka bang experience na, ay shit, ito palang content ito?
May experience, not just me, but the whole cast. May experience naman kami lahat. But I haven't seen the whole movie, so I don't know if they're gonna include it. Pero based sa experience ko talaga na mag-isa akong pumunta sa isang floor. Kasi if makikita mo yung pinaka-hospital, lahat ng mga gamit na dulte. So it's really big. Kumbaga, ang ginawa kasi sa amin ni Ken, pinag-divide kami each floor. So, ewan ko kung anong trip niya, bakit doon niya ako nilagay. So, but based sa akin, it's memorable. Like, iba yung experience. Kasi nga, maybe kabisado ko na yung spiritual beings dito sa Philippines compared doon sa Taiwan. So, I'm just kind of scared kasi hindi ko alam kung anong pwedeng gawin sa amin. So, nung tinanggap ko to, syempre I talked to my family, I talked to my mom. It's very dangerous naman talaga and risky for everyone and sa akin. And sabi ko na lang, if kung may nangyari, hindi, may nangyari. Basta mahal ko mga fans ko, mahal ko mga tao, pero kung, ayun, if I'm safe, I'm still here. I'm thankful with Ken kasi hindi naman niya kami pinabayaan. So,
wow! Tapos kwento ko lang po, may isang pinaka-content area nito, yung CR talaga.
CR?
Yeah, kasi walang flash. Joke lang. Joke lang. Medyo safe naman doon, safe.
May point bang, since mag-isa ka, may point bang
sanay naman akong mag-isa.
May point bang parang gusto mo kumata?
Meron talaga. Sir Don, kung pwede na talaga i-release yung buong uncut, meron talaga doon makikita nyo na ayoko na talaga. Pero dahil mahal ko itong mga kaibigan ko, ayoko ma-sacrifice lahat ng ginawa nila. Pinush ko na lang talaga yung sarili ko para tapusin. Pero nung time na yun, tumatawag mo kay mama. Sabi ko, Mama, ayoko na talaga ganyan. At mag-isa lang ako sa floor eh. So, sanay naman akong mag-isa sa buhay ko. Pero nung time na yun, mas sinampal sa akin ni Ken talaga na mag-isa na talaga.
Last question na lang. For Ken naman,
Yes.
You're co-producing this. What does it feel like to film in 1 year as your first year as a producer? Tama ba this year yung Iron Man cover, diba?
Yes.
And
Maybe
very
this year.
Yeah.
It feels good. I mean, it feels good to be doing, working on projects that really excite me and inspire me. You know, you reach a point you want to be, instead of a smart actor, but you just want to do it for fun and for the love of the craft. So, nasa point ako nang I just want to enjoy and have fun. Kaya I did this comedy film, I'm doing this horror film. I'm just enjoying. Because I haven't enjoyed as much, you know, doing projects in a long time. So,
especially coming from pandemic, diba?
Yeah. And you know, it's just something new and something excites me. At least, you know, you have to keep on looking for something that excites you at times eh. Parang, you know, mabuhayin ulit yung fire inside of you. So yun na, just really enjoy.
Thank you. Sir Don, kamusta naman si Enrique na bilang matagal ka ng producer? Kamusta naman si Enrique, co-producer?
Maganda kay Enrique, honest niya sa producer. Hindi lang by title na producer siya. Nag-contribute talaga siya sa ideas. Marami siyang inputs. Which is important, diba? Saka maganda rin, naglalaro siya ng kaya. I mean, tatanungin nga ako kung talagang gusto ko makasama si Enrique to produce another one. Ito yung definitely. Kasi talagang
nag-usap na kami.
Oo, nag-usap na kami. Pero very good experience. Saka syempre, marami rin ako natututunan sa kanya.
Of course.
Younger than me.
Yeah, but I'm also learning not from them, you know. I really commend them for pushing the craft and different genres and better films for our industry. I'm just really proud of them, and it inspires me to produce and make more projects that pushes the boundaries of what Philippine cinema is and what we know of. So yun lang. I just hope there are more people like them in our industry that's also pushing for different content than what we're used to. So yun.
Last question na lang, sorry. Is there anything we can look forward to na? As a producer for 2025, meron ba?
Yes, I have a show coming up with ABS next year.
Yes.
Co-producing it with them. And I also have some films that we're working on. But our main focus for next year would be the TV series. And of course a movie. I want to release another movie by end of next year, Saturday.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Alan. Sino po ang ating susunod na magtatanong? Yes, ma'am.
Hello po, good evening. So, ito po from News 5. Yun, for all the cast po, nabanggit po kanina ni Miss MJ na you do the pagpag. I don't know kung bakit ginagawa nyo. Yes, pagpag. No? So, for all the cast, is there an instance na pag-uwi nyo po from Taiwan, here in the Philippines, meron ba kayong something na naramdaman na strange? Na, baka mamaya may nadala kayo, papunta dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Meron po bang pagkakataon na gano'n?
Ibigay lahat yung mic kay Alexa.
Speaking of pag-queen, Alexa.
Si Alexa.
Ikaw, ikwento mo muna
Actually,
niya.
ang galing talaga ni Alexa doon. Sasabihin ko na, ang galing ni Alexa doon.
Para po sa mga hindi nakapanood, we actually posted the ton. No, we had an experience on during our first day.
Ikaw lang.
O di ako lang. Sige, ako na lang. Ako na lang mag-isa. What? Yun. So, it was because of yung when Jane was reminding us all kanina to be respectful with foreign entities because we're foreign ourselves, yun yung hindi ko ginawa. Yung first day. Ako kasi isa ko sa pinakamakulit, if not the pinakapasaway sa buong cast. So there was during the first time of shoot na pinupuntahan ko mga lugar na bawal, tapos si Zarky pranked me, diba? So sumigaw ako ng sobrang lakas and I think I disrespected the spirits by accident. Yun yung kumabit sa akin sa pag so sumunod siya sa akin, kumapit inside, and we posted a video about this already, and if not for Jane and her mom and everyone else in the van who noticed that there was something wrong with me. Baka hindi pa napatigil yung van, hindi pa nakapag-pray. So we learned our lesson agad, simula pa lang nung buong shoot, to always respect and pray, and to remember na hindi lang yung Taiwanese prayer, Taiwanese faith. Kasi yung first day, hindi pa kami nakakapagpatawag ng sarili namin pastor, but it was Jane's idea to call in for our own faith and our religion. Yeah.